Let's see what's out there.
They will be expecting us.
Cal and I made it through the Lucre Hulk all right.
You and I have different definitions of all right.
I wonder why Dagan sent Ravis instead of coming here himself.
This is your captain speaking, inviting you to grab some seat so we can land.
Vulture droids. Looks like Ravis has more separatist toys than we thought.
Doesn't look like they spotted us yet. Think you can land?
I don't know. The risky part's gonna be taken off again, and the last thing I want is to be stuck on this haunted rock.
We could always build a second cantina. Franchise.
Hey, how about you save the jokes for later, Jetpack?
I can hide the mantis.
Last I checked, this ship isn't equipped with a cloaking device. What is she doing?
Here we go.
The vultures are right in front of us. Trust her. Okay, that was impressive.
We will drop you off. Good luck with Ravis.
And to you.
Hey, kid. Hurry back.
Jetpack, man the guns.
Copy that.
Oh, and I might need some of your blood. In case I get tired.
The array's active. Probably not good. ship. He's headed for the tower. Let's stop. Let's go.
Built me personally. How can you possibly know that? It's the only explanation for my superior programming.
I'm hit. Charging weapon. Time is over. Let that end.
Target spotted. One good shot. The lightsaber. I'll show you why I was promoted.
I am damaged. You are damaged.
I'm feeling weak, BD.
You're going down. I will find you. I will miss you. Hello.
breathe.
I already secured that. Don't open it.
No.
Grab him. Break.
Pirate ammo. Within acceptable. Tracking.
Again. Here I come. What?
Maybe Centauri hid the compass in the tower. Only one way to find out.
I heard the boss wants to wait. Do you hear that?
Only way through is the firing chamber. Yeah, I don't love the idea either.
What about a fabrication facility on the moon?
It would save us bringing materials from elsewhere.
I admire your persistence in following me here. Our time on Cole has come short. Survive. I look forward to picking up where we left off. Raven, time to fight! Look at me. That's war, soldier. Never rely on a droid.
Come here and fight us. Detonator prime. Taking the shot. You can't escape us. I don't think. Moving around a lot.
Look at that! You need to do better than that! My God won't break.
Could use some help, buddy.
end.
How long have you laid dormant? Soon, you will sing again.
Hey, Cal. You there?
I'm here. You all okay?
We're managing. No rush, but hurry up and let us know when you're on your way back.
Will do.
That laser sure is loud. It's supposed to be. Hey,
I guess droids don't get to know the plan either.
Jedi, I hear you are still with us. I'll give you that. The power is everything. Power is freedom. And if you do not turn away, you will see my power for yourself. I always wondered something about the Jedi. Your ideals teach patience, peace. Jedi brutality. That is what the galaxy remembers of the Clone Wars. Those who fell to this empire are a pale shadow compared to those from Dagon's age. And yet... Perhaps you'll surprise me. You must want Tantalus very badly. Maybe you're no different than the Empire after all. I will show you no mercy. In return, surrender is a prison, and I will not be imprisoned again. A cage is the only true defeat. Dominance is the only true victory.
Only way up is ahead. And into another firing chamber. Yeah, one was enough. We're not done yet.
I think I hear an intruder. Get him!
The hour approaches for you to make Dagon's vision real once more.
Resistance reveals the path. Lab. Doubt she ever thought it would come to this. She made her choices. If it helps us find a home that's free of the Empire, so be it. Huh. This is different.
Jedi, you are nearly too late. I await you in the control tower. Reach me if you can.
What's that?
Keep a tight perimeter. The Jedi has been sniffing around, and I ain't letting him through. Give me one good shot.
The enemy is here.
Not bad. Death before surrender. Down there. Target quick. I'll catch him. Assistance required. Have it! Not so easy, huh? No power. I'll break you. I won't let you. Airborne! You scum!
Hey, BD, a little help?
We have a containment breach!
Get down!
No test so far has been successful.
Dagan Gera has believed.
Then he senses something I do not.
BD! Stim, BD!
back on Kobo. Was it made here? That gadget we found in the stone spires. Think you can help here? You've got this one, right, BD? See what Kree was up to. Let's look. I'm looking.
Centauri.
Dagon, what have you done?
What I must.
Stop.
But you want what I want. Why else would you deceive the Council?
You've lost your way. Surrender. And we can figure this out, together.
Come with me.
It's too late for that.
Such despair, Centauri. Tanalor. You can feel it slipping away.
My despair is for you. Tanalor has changed you.
It's changed you as well. Step aside.
No.
Then I must go it alone. Centauri.
Get a medical droid in here and prepare a back to tank.
What'd you find? High Republic tech. Works with my grapple. Could help us climb the tower. She defeated Dagon, but didn't turn him in. Why? Let's give it a try. It works. On to Ravis. It's okay, BD. We'll find another way.
Ravis.
Jedi.
Why did you activate the array?
It's been many years since I last took the life of a Jedi.
Why did you activate the...
I heard you. Long ago, Dagan bested me in combat. Earned my loyalty. We fought side by side until the Jedi betrayed him. It took many of your order to defeat me. And yet, they dishonored me. Denied me a warrior's death. Left me to rot in a cage for centuries. So, seems our destinies are intertwined. The demise of your order allowed me to escape.
And yet, nothing has changed. You're still just Dagan's servant.
Time does not diminish my loyalties. Without a code, you can only serve yourself.
Where's the compass, Ravis?
I owe you nothing, Jedi! If you want that knowledge from me, you're gonna have to fight for it.
Very well.
Prepare yourself! Come at me again! I'm telling you! You're fast.
Hey, BD1!
This is a fine battle! This is not over yet!
Right here, buddy. Oh, come on.
I've been waiting for this. For 200 years!
I won't disappoint you then.
I will crush the life from you! You will finish my life!
Another!
the name! I took enough! I yield. You have proven yourself.
Where is the compass?
Centauri Kree's observatory, as Dagon suspected. I have opened the way. He goes there now.
I defeated you. Fight with me. We can take on Dagon together.
I will not, Jedi. After all these centuries, I still dream of Tanalorr. I had hoped to see it again, but... that is not to be.
This.
Dagon Gera stands in your way.
You don't have to do this.
Only one of you will reach Tanalorr. Jedi, give me my warrior's death. Now!
We should go. Grease, you there?
Cal, I don't know what you did, but those vulture droids are making a hasty exit. The landing pad's clear. I'm gonna bring the Manids in now.
Copy that.
I'll be waiting for you, kid.
Maybe Ravis was right. Dagon abandoned the Jedi Code. Now look at him, consumed by his obsession with Tanalorr. How is that different from what we're doing? Don't worry about it. Thanks for having my back. Time to move. Best way up is through the array.
Running from a blaster, better run a little faster. Goodbye, room saloon. The location, shattered moon. Hey, look at that, he ain't dead. How you doing, kid?
Cal.
Whatever you did up there sure kicked the firebug nest.
Ravis is gone.
Yeah, that'll do it.
So let me guess, back to Kobo?
Yeah, I think so.
Say, Jetpack, give me a hand up here.
Yep.
Don't tell Grease, but he's right about this moon. Creepy.